More details on this coming up. Welcome back to Kevin's Trooper channel. This is the channel where we do all types of DIY projects for overlanding and off-roading. We do product reviews, and I've got another one for you today. Today, we're going to be reviewing the SMOKE-TEK Evap smoke machine. Now, if you've ever worked on vehicles for any length of time, you're going to reach a point to where you need a smoke machine. And you could use a cigar like Scotty Kilmer, or you can get yourself a smoke machine. The problem with smoke machines is mechanic level smoke machines can be hundreds, if not over $1,000. I found this machine for $130 on Amazon. Now, at first glance, this SMOKE-TEK machine is very impressive. The build quality seems like it's built like a tank. It's all stainless. The controls seem very strong. It comes with a hook. And the way that this works is you have one tube that, of course, your smoke comes out of. And then you have a wire that connects onto your 12-volt battery source. And what produces the smoke is mineral oil. There's an electrical wire coiled around a tiki torch wick. And that mineral oil comes up on the wick, and then that electrical coil burns it, and it produces smoke. So let's try this thing out and see how it works. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to add our mineral oil. And the directions say to fill it up to where it touches the wick, but not high enough that it actually is at the bottom of the coil. It wants the mineral oil to wick up onto the coil and not actually be sitting in it. So let's add our mineral oil. And the next step is we're going to hook this up to our 12-volt battery source, which I have an old battery here on the floor that we're going to hook it up to. And it also says not to put this lid on extremely tight because it does get tighter over time. All right, let's hook it up to our battery source. And then we're going to hook it up to our air compressor hose. And we wait. Now, the directions do say not to burn this for more than 3 minutes once the smoke starts. And let's see how much smoke this thing actually does produce. Look at that. And that is plenty of smoke to determine if you have an evap leak or a leak in some other type of system to where you need to run smoke in it. That's as good as any mechanic level smoke machine I've ever seen. Oh wait, this is not a cigar. In fact, it works way better than a cigar. So thank you guys so much for joining me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our channel. And give me a thumbs up because you know it means a lot to me. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video.